How to delete Instagram account. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Have you been frustrated or distracted using Instagram and wanna no longer use this social media platform and thought of deleting your account? If so, you are on the right place. Today I will guide you with simple and easy process of deleting your Instagram account. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram application. You will land to its official homepage. Right here at the bottom, tap on the circle with your profile picture. You will land to profile page. Over here, tap on the hamburger icon. A menu will pop up. Right here, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account center. Select personal details under account settings. Tap on account ownership and control. Right here, select deactivation or deletion. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you wish to delete permanently. For me, it's the one shown in screen. Within the accounts menu, select delete account. Tap on continue. Select reason behind your account deletion. For me, it's too busy or too distracting. Tap on continue. Again, tap on continue. To proceed further with your account deletion, enter your account password. Once done, tap on continue. Right here, tap on delete account and boom, you have successfully deleted your Instagram account. Remember, deleting account is permanent, and in case if you change your mind, then make sure to cancel it within the time frame of 30 days before account deletion process begins, else your account is permanently gone. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.